All right. It's like day 652. It's been a week. I think I'm on day like 3 or 4 of taking down the garage sale and putting up the inventory sale. I've pulled out a ton of stuff, but I still have garage sale stuff on the other half of this garage and I need to get it out. So I've been working on making space for it in that back corner, which there's not a lot of space to work with. So with that being said, we are supposed to have storms all day long. In fact, there's thunder right now. So I am going to just continue to move some space so I can move some of that stuff over there. Then continue to pull everything out. Once I have space in here, or once I have all the tables cleared and I'm able to actually set every table up, I can categorize and get things moved around. So far, I have just been pulling stuff out. So it's really just piled. I have a couple of sections that I know will remain at least in that category. So I am out here today for as long as the weather will allow me to. The challenge that I have right now is because it's gonna rain, I can't put stuff into the driveway. I have to work around what's in the garage. So just a little added fun for the day. But I'm gonna get as much done as I can. Tomorrow is a fun play day with my son. We are going to Chuck E. Cheese, and then I will have Sunday and Monday and Tuesday morning to finish getting it all pulled together. And then throughout the sale, basically how the sale will work is I continually, as I sell stuff, I go back into the stock and I refill the tables constantly. I'm moving stuff constantly to have as much stuff out as possible, because the more stuff that I can get rid of now, the better. While I am doing that, I'm also going to be selling stuff online over in my little makeshift shipping area. Man, there's spiders everywhere. My makeshift shipping area, so I will be doing that simultaneously as holding the sale. I will keep you abreast of how everything is going. So my goal for today is to clear off the rest of the garage sale stuff that is still out, that I don't have space for underneath in different things. So that is my main goal for today, so that I can, again, I've only made it a quarter of the way through my inventory. Man, there are spiders everywhere. It makes me think they're falling on my head, because the other day I watched one just fall right from the ceiling. Gives me the willies. I have goosebumps thinking about it. Anyway, I gotta get a battery for you. Well, not you personally, but the camera. All right, so I'm gonna get some tunes going. Today I am wearing my runner's belt. It's like a little fanny pack. It's genius, I love it. And that way I won't lose my phone, because I've lost it like 7 times amongst the product. Let's do this. this is what happens when you're working in the garage for 4 days.